All right.
Love you.
I got that on camera. Yeah. We just arrived in Huacachina. So we're moving with our group to our rally point for here in about an hour. We'll leave for the dune buggies and sandboarding. You can kind of see the sand dunes behind Abby up there. So this is gonna be the high adrenaline part of the trip for sure. Abby just got some new sunglasses. They look fantastic. She looks hot. We're gonna get hit in the face with a lot of sand today, I imagine. I brought the ones from our beginning. All right, we're getting all geared up to go sandboarding and dune busting. And what's the word?
We don't have any time. We gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go now.
We're group 3.
We're group 3? Okay.
Yeah.
We are looking for our buggy now. We're up at the top of the sand dunes. Well, we're not even near the top. We're at the buggy parking lot in the sand dunes.
Feels like the top.
Feels like the top because we had to walk up it in snowboarding boots. But, which was Abby's idea. We're gonna have a good time. What's up? You guys ready to go?
Ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. After what was rocket science getting these 5-point harnesses on, which I think is strictly overkill, we are now strapped into a buggy in the middle of the desert cooking. It's not even running. So. In what is a dramatic turn of events in Huacachina, the snowboarding excursion was pulled over by the police.
We haven't even done anything yet.
We've yet to raise any hell, and the law enforcement officials have intervened. Stay tuned for more of Soon to Be Locked Up Abroad, featuring all of these unfortunate and happy tourists right now. All of our paperwork has arrived. We are now free and clear to continue up the dunes, I think. Or they're driving us to the jail. I'm not sure which one it is yet, because none of us speak Spanish. But one way or another, we're in for an interesting time. He's the guy that pulled us over. High wind, lots of sand, but it is an awesome day to be riding your own. Oh, come on, man. Oh. race the sunset before returning to Huacachina. And today's been just an awesome day. Like, if we could do it differently, we would have added a day because they've got some awesome hotels and some awesome pools. It'd be nice to go back and just kick everything off and go soak. And that would be a good way to do it. All right, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow is break day.